What if I told you that luck isn't something you have, it's something you make? We all know that one person who just seems to have it all figured out. They stumble into amazing opportunities and always seem to be in the right place at the right time, every time. But what if it's not magic? What if it's a recipe? Today, we're going to brew your very own luck potion. It has 4 simple, powerful ingredients that, when combined, can completely change your fortune. Forget 4-leaf clovers. This is about a 4-step mindset. Let's get started. First, we need the main ingredient, opportunities. Luck can't find you if you're hiding. You have to put yourself in a position where good things can happen. You increase your chances of a lucky break simply by being in the game. You can't get your dream job if you never apply. You can't meet new people if you never leave the house. It's about increasing your surface area for luck. So, your actionable step for this ingredient is simple. Say yes to one small, new thing this week. Just say yes. You're opening the door for luck to walk in. Second, intuition. That gut feeling? It's not just a random emotion, it's your subconscious mind, processing thousands of tiny details, past experiences, body language, subtle patterns, and giving you a summary. This feels right, or something's off here. Lucky people don't ignore that inner voice. When you've created all these new opportunities, your intuition is the compass that points you toward the right one. So when a decision comes up, big or small, just pause for a second and ask yourself, what does my gut say? Start listening to that voice. It's your built-in luck detector. Our third ingredient is optimism. Now, this isn't about ignoring problems. It's about having the core belief that you can find a solution. Optimism is the fuel that keeps you trying. An optimist and a pessimist can face the exact same closed door. The pessimist gives up. The optimist looks for the open window next to it. This belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy because if you believe you'll eventually succeed, you'll keep taking action. Your simple takeaway here is every night before bed, think of just one small thing that went well that day. A good cup of coffee, a song you enjoyed, a completed task. This trains your brain to look for the good, making optimism your default setting. Finally, the most powerful ingredient, resilience. If you're out there taking chances, you are going to face setbacks. It's guaranteed. The secret of lucky people is that they don't see failure as the end, they see it as feedback. Resilience is the ability to turn bad luck into good luck. Instead of thinking, I failed, you reframe it to, what did I learn? A rejection isn't proof you're unlucky, it's data that helps you get closer to a yes next time. This ability to bounce back and reframe challenges is what makes your luck last. So there you have it, the 4 ingredients for your personal luck potion. Create opportunities so luck has a place to go. Trust your intuition to guide you. Fuel your journey with optimism and build resilience so that nothing can stop you.